All right, guys, let's talk about taking sleepers off. So this is a truck I've had in here for a little while as a prototype. We've had a kit for the Peterbilt 5 series, so this is the 579. We've had a kit for this for, man, almost 10 years. It was 4 inches back here. We've moved it to 6, and we have another project with this truck that we're going to do. We're actually going to pull the roof off and put a low roof on it. But anyway, so this is Daycab Company. My name is Mark, and let's we flip the camera around and we'll take a little closer look at this. So when you're pulling a sleeper off of one of these, it's the 5 series is a lot easier than the 3 series. One of the things that you don't have to remove those rivets right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. So those are holding the frame in, and there's enough meat above to our unit will come drilled, and you'll just re-rivet it through. So that's kind of a cool thing. Before, with the older 3 series, like the 379, you had to pull those rivets out. That was one of our kits. We had one that you could do it without, but it looked way better. This actually looks really good. I mean, it is what it is, right? It's a tall roof. Thing's a monster. We supplied an air ride. We have an air ride bracket right there. It comes with directions. Pretty easy install on that. You're going to need that. You're going to lose the air ride that's on the back of the sleeper. This kit is 6 inches now, like I said. Let me climb up here. Just bear with me. So it's 6 inches back, so a little more room. All smooth, no rivets. We painted it. We'll paint for you. We paint every day, brand new trucks. We're certified Imron paint company, so we warranty all our stuff. But yeah, it's just a really smooth, really easy install. Pull the sleeper, clean it up a little bit, work on your air ride, get it in, and yeah, this is bare bones inside, but it'll come with all the upholstery and everything you need to wrap it up. So yeah, if you're looking for a kit and you're going to pull a sleeper off, give us a call and we'll help you out on that. The next thing I'm doing is we're now going to pull this off, and I'm going to take this roof off and I'm going to change it to a low roof right there. We're going to put that. We're actually going to manufacture a roof for the conversion, and then we will have a 6-inch, which we have now. We have the low version, so this is a tall version, so we have a low version for this, which is shorter. So it comes right here. So like if you had a sleeper on a truck like that, which they make, right? Like more like a Unibill, I call it a low. But I want to convert this truck. I'm not crazy about this high roof. It's a lot. I mean, if I was just doing a farm truck, yeah, probably I would just throw this kit on and live my happy life. But we're building a dump truck with this truck. I need to get it wrapped up. And I'm going to go ahead and lower it and make a kit. And the kit will come with a headliner and all the stuff you need, because you're going to need a headliner and a bunch of stuff. So I'll write the directions for all that. But yeah, stay tuned. We're going to keep at it. Thanks for watching my video.